how to transfer money from Philippines to Singapore. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on Send Money. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines currency. You can type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after you select it, select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Singapore dollar, as you can see. Now, after that, you can type here how much you want to transfer. For example, $1,000 or $10,000 or any amount that you want to transfer. And after that, select the pay with, and now you can select the payment method. So the only method that available, it's bank account. Now select it and now tap on add recipients. Now as you can see, tap on bank details and select someone else. Now as you can see, provide your email, full name, bank name. As you can see, you can select it from here, and now you can provide the account number according that to that bank name that you selected, and now click on continue. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. And this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Singapore. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.